Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Amila Soleha with student ID 23043030. This video is a part of the midterm examination for the accounting theory course, which especially discuss the dynamics of asset measurement in modern financial reporting. So the focus of my discussion today is to analyze the mixed measurement model and how this predict shift affect the integrity of information for management and investor. So I will examine it one by one. So the case one about for asset category in the mixed measurement model. The current accounting standard, we no longer rely on a single rigid method. There is an ongoing debate between relevance and reliability, which is reflected in a four main asset category. The first is we call PPE or property, plant and equipment. The fundamental challenge is whether the precision should be viewed as a cost allocation or as a valuation process. So in this case, its context. International standards such as IAS, International Accounting Standard 16, provide flexibility through a revaluation model, which allows the use of fair value to present more up-to-date information. The second about intangible asset and goodwill. This is the most subjective area. Modern standards now prohibit the amortization of goodwill and replace it with annual impairment tests. This approach ensures the intangible assets are not overstated on the balance sheet. The third is financial instrument. This is category where a fair value accounting is the most dominant. The measurement depends heavily on the company's business model, which requires greater transparency regarding a market risk. The fourth is inventory. Here we observe the classic conflict between balance sheet relevance and the profit determination. Through the lower of cost market, we call it LCM rule, accounting maintains the principle of conservatism in order to protect financial statement user. So if we reflective analysis, to identifying the bigger pattern from the four category, what the large pattern can we observe? So in based my opinion, toward relevant over the strict objectives of the past, modern accounting is gradually moving away from absolute reliance on historical costs, which often lose in usefulness in a dynamic market environment. Instead, the pattern is shifting toward financial reporting that reflect the current economic reality. The increasing use of the fair value and faster recognition of impairment indicate the accounting now prioritize information with predictive value for future decision making, even if slightly reduce the certainty of past data. So I will explain the implication for management and investor. This predict shift has a significant consequence for stakeholders. The first is management. The mixed measurement model provides broader space estimate professional judgment. However, this becomes a double-edged sword. The subjective involved may be used for earning management, such implementing big bad accounting, a strategy where companies write off assets immediately in bad year, so that following years performance appears atypically stronger. And for investors, this model promises greater transparency. Investors can now detect the potential time booms on the balance sheet, more responsive impairment recognition. So, however, it also leads to greater volatility in financial statement. A company's net income may fluctuate significant due to the market value change with the operational performance. Therefore, the investor must have a stronger financial literacy to avoid the being misled by the market because they overvalued. So the conclusion, the mixed measurement model represents the accounting provision of work to remain relevant in the midst of the increasing economic complexity. The strict objective is to gradually fading the quality of the information provided becomes far more meaningful for strategic analysis and decision making. So that's all. My explanation about the case 2. Sorry for all my mistake. Thank you for attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.